Kalogs, puntahan natin yung ano, ayun, yung gondola. Yung tinatawag nilang Skywalker. Skywalker.
Wow!
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Nandito na tayo kasi nagme-melt na! Nagme-melt na!
Oh no!
Unknown Brain, Marvin Divine. I'm saying bye to all the lies and all the times you cried, saying that I wasn't right, yet I was right by your side. You manipulator, playing games, your friends commentators, and I don't know what you say about our private conversations, but it's kind of hating. Thanks to all the rumors you be claiming, it's cool, I'm done with you, so they can throw you a celebration. You gon' hate it when you see me with somebody living better. I'm trying to tell you that me just doing me gon' have you jealous.
I know that I gotta stay away from all your games. Yeah, I know that
Mga kalogs, tayo na natin makalapit tayo sa ano, sa pinaka-parking kung saan tayo makakahawak ng snow. Alright? Ayan mga kalogs, nandito na tayo. Nandito na tayo sa snow. Eto, yellow. This one.
Wow!
Oh, snow. Snow everywhere. Nagme-melt na mga kalogs, nagme-melt. Ano? Alright, palipad na natin ating drone. Let's go for the drone. Ayan, shout out, nandito na tayo.
Bawal ang drone.
Ha? Ito sabi?
Oh no!
Hindi ko nakita. Saan? Pagpasok ba? Ayan mga kalogs, sad to say, parang bawal yata magpalipad ng drone. Hindi yata nila payagan magpalipad ng drone mga kalogs.
Oh no!
Parang no good. Hindi natin makukuha ng aerial video ang snow mountain na to, ang Mount Ruapiho. Yan. Tanong natin mga kalogs, baka pwede pa naman magpalipad. Yan. Ay mga kalogs, oh, parang nagme-melt na yung ano, nagme-melt na yung snow na sobrang init. Ayan, malapit na kasi matapos ang winter mga kalog. Mag-spring na, mag-spring. Ayan. At least ma-experience natin mga kalogs makahawak ng snow, pero wala nang ulan. Wala nang ulan ng snow. Dito po pala mga kalogs sa Mount Ruapiho dito sa New Zealand. Ayan oh, snow oh. Ayan mga kalogs, snow kaso hindi na siya ganun karami. Alright, daming sasakyan oh. Dami yung mga sasakyan. Dami ding namamasyal dito mga kalogs. Ito ang pinakamagandang tourist spot dito sa ano, sa New Zealand, ang Mount Ruapehu. Alright, sana mga kasama natin naiwan na. Woo! Sarap ng sinag ng araw. Naman may puno dito. Yun, oh. Pwede maghalo-halo mga kalogs. Maghalo-halo kayo dito. Yun ang halo-halo, oh. Daming yelo, oh. Ayan, si snowman, oh. Wala lang mata. Lagyan natin ang ilong. Oh, hey. Big. Ay, maraming mga turista dito mga kalogs. Wow, ice cream!
Gunggong! Barinig kita sa mukha eh!
Yeah. Unknown Brain. Marvin Devine. I'm saying bye to all the lies and all the times you cried, saying that I wasn't right, yet I was right by your side. You manipulator, playing games, your friends commentators, and I don't know what you say about our private conversations, but it's got them hating. Thanks to all the rumors you be claiming, it's cool I'm done with you, so they can throw you a celebration. You gon' hate it when you see me with somebody living better. I'm trying to tell you that me just doing me gon' have you jealous.
I know that I gotta stay away from all your games. Yeah, I know that I found somebody else to love me one day. You'll realize the grass ain't greener on the other side. No, you did me dirty for life.
Ayan, shoutout mga kalog, lumipat tayo ng pwesto. Ayan, yung tinatawag nilang gondola. Kumbaga cable car, kumbaga yung pagtawid. Yun yung ginagamit nilang pagtawid dun sa kabilang bundok kung saan mas maraming snow. Ayan. Titignan natin mga kalogs, may bayad pala. Hindi pala free. Ayan. Alright. Try natin mga kalogs magipagusyoso doon sa entrance. Ayan, yung harap ko ngayon puro snow pa rin, no? Snow everywhere. Let's go mga kalogs. Punta tayo dun sa may entrance. Alamin natin kung pwede tayong maka-rides pa kasi may oras pala itong magsara. Ang sabi 4 PM daw. Eh malapit nang mag 4 PM kaya alamin natin mga kalogs. Let's go. Tara. Picture pa sila. Oh, tara, tanong natin. Sasakay ba tayo sa gondola?
Tanong natin dun sa entrance.
Tara, tanong natin kung pwede.
Let's go.
Kasi 320 na.
Sige lang.
Ako, baka... Ayaw lang, sige lang. Para hindi ako nakanta.
Ayan mga kalogs, mga nag-i-ski. Masakay sila dun sa masakay sila dun sa may gondola, ang tawag nila dun. Tapos mag-i-ski sila pababa. Dun sa mataas na yun, oh. Ayan, may mga bata pa rin, may mga bata rin, oh. Ito pala yung bus. Pwede palang sumakay ng bus mga kalogs. May shuttle din, may shuttle. Kumbaga pag hindi po pinayagan umakyat yung sasakyan mo sarili, pwedeng umakyat pupunta rito gamit ang bus na ito. Sasakay po. May bayad din, hindi po natin alam kung magkano.
Ayaw, di ba?
Ano yung bus? Mangero Volcanic Adventure. Ay mga kalogs, yung pangalan ng lugar na to, Wakapapa. And snow. Wakapapa. Ayan dito.
Sila!
Sa Waka Papa.
Wala! Sila ka naririnig! Dito muna tayo.
Dito tayo, para meron kayong ano dito.
Dito na. Magtanong nga lang.
Home of Skywaka. Waka Papa. Dami yung
Oh no!
Baya!
Kuhalan ka. Kuhalan ka. Black. Ay, mga nag-i-stay pala sa baba, oh.
Dali na, dali! Wala na, tumama yun.
Ay, mga nag-i-stay sa baba.
Ano? Magpipicture ka ba? Ito yung uri. Wala yung pinatakas pa ng ako nakikita.
Ang daming tao, mga kalog. Ay, pauwi na sila, oh. Careful, careful lang at madulas yung ano, yelo. Sudah kita tahu mana jadi. Ayan, ang daming tao.
Conversations, but it's got 'em hating. Thanks for all the rumors you be claiming. It's cool, I'm done with you, so they can throw you a celebration. You gon' hate it when you see me with somebody. It doesn't matter. I'm trying to tell you that me just ruined me.
Look at that.
Jealous,
Gotta stay away from all your games. I know that I found somebody else to love.
Sakaya nila mga kalog, so sakaya ng shuttle pababa ng bundok.
The grass ain't green on the other side. You did me dirty.
Ayan, dito na tayo sa pinakagitna mga kalog, yung sakaya ng gondola. Ayan, mga gamit ng mga nag-i-ski. Mga gamit ng mga nag-i-ski mga kalog.
Yeah, my life is lovely now, I'm focused on me. You said you were about to die, guess the call is on E. But see, I ain't even tripping, cause I just chose to believe that somebody gon' come around and give me just what I need. I don't wanna see you crying, see you looking down and out. Coming to me crying, saying you miss having me around. Gave you chances and you blew it, you so easily influenced. All the times you told me beat it, now you gotta face the music, I'm saying
I know that I gotta stay away from all your games. I know that I found somebody else to love me what they had. You'll realize the grass ain't green on the other side. No, you did me dirty for the last time.
Adventure na ano, pagsakay yata ng ano, ng gondola. Saka sa paggamit ng ski place nila dito. Magkuha ng ticket. First time natin mga kalog, kaya hindi natin alam kung paano ka dito. Saka yung oras, may oras pala dito mga kalog. Punta. Kumbaga hindi natin masyadong
Say goodbye.
na-inform tungkol sa facility nila. Saka kung anong oras sila magsasara. Ayan. Ayan yung gondola. Mga kalogs, puntahan natin yung ano, ayun, yung gondola. Yung tinatawag nilang Skywaka. Skywaka. Yan. Ayun yung gondola. Ayun. Nakakatayo tayo mga kalog. Yan, medyo madulas yung semento. Ayan, gondola, ayan. Ang cable car lang mga kalog.
You have a good ski? Did you do 2 runs? No. It was beautiful, eh? Wasn't it? Amazing, eh? Yeah, amazing. At 4 o'clock. Yeah, great, eh? Just really good at it. Nice, eh? That's so cool.
Ayun pag mag-ski. Alright mga kalogs, ang sarap di ba mag-adventure dito. Kaso bitin na tayo sa oras mga kalogs.
Oh no!
Running out of time.
Keep holding on, keep holding on, and I'll be right there. Close to the sun.
Gusto ko pa mag-tiktok kaso parang
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
She says that she loves me, she just wants to fuck me. Got me feeling something, got me feeling nothing. Alcoholic junkie, says she thinks I'm funny. Think I might get lucky, spending too much money. She says she wants my necklace, put her on the guest list. Hope I don't regret this, hope I don't regret this. I'm feeling hella reckless, cashing all my checks rich. Cookies on my neck, shit, she's on the offensive. I do not know my set list, still I'm gonna get lit. Yeah, I have a death wish, live until I'm breathless. I'ma stay progressive, she gon' say obsessive. Life is so expensive, do everything excessive. I think my brain's defective.
Hera, thanks for
Can't think when she's aggressive. Yeah. She snuck into my section. Yeah. You think I'd learn my lesson? Yeah. And we ain't getting no sleep. These girls don't even know me. Like Drake, I'm getting trophies. You want it, girl, then show
Nasaan sila, mama?
yeah. And we ain't getting no sleep. These girls don't even know me. Like Drake, I'm getting trophies. You want it, girl, then show me. 'Cause we ain't getting
Ayan mga kalogs, ang ating experience dito sa snow, dito sa Roa Peho, New Zealand. Ayan, this is Log TV once again mga kalog. Tapos na ang ating snow adventure. Magpapaalam na naman si Log TV sa mga hindi po nag-subscribe kay Log TV. Mag-subscribe po, malulag pa. Peace!
learned it from the best, man. She loving every lesson with hands-on sessions, points for attendance. She asks a lot of questions, I answer with my presence. I sit back while I'm texting. Said she wants to get in, said she'll bring her best friend. Know what happened next, man. You know what happened next, man. Treat her like a guest, man. Rolling out the best, man. She had a confession.